This session of providing Jamf Pro access for specific tasks will cover creating static user groups for each site that allows a limited admin the ability to move students in and out of the static group. I'll start by logging in to Jamf Pro. I can see in the upper right-hand corner that I have full Jamf Pro access. And I want to go ahead and modify some static user groups. Because I'm setting up for a one-to-one, I'm going to go ahead and do this with users. I could do this with devices if I was using another model, say shared carts. Go to static user groups. And you'll notice I already have 5 static user groups created at the Jamf Pro higher level. For each of these particular static user groups, I'm going to go in and create one specifically for each site. It's relatively easy once I get started from here. For instance, I have a no camera access static user group. I'll just go in, choose clone, and I'll modify this, get rid of copy and say elementary number 1. I'll drop down, choose that particular site, save, clone again, and I just need to back up here and change that to a 2, choose my other site, and I'll repeat this process for each site that I have, and when done with that particular static user group, I'll move on to the next one. So for instance, I had a no camera. App Store, I want to actually create the ability to give App Store. I may have a group that has a particular exam layout, and I want someone with a sub-admin user account to be able to move students in and out of that, just like with my no camera. My restricted internet access, that's one that I definitely want at each site, so I'll clone it. Elementary, I'll just stick with my same schema that I had. Elementary number 1, choose that, save, and then clone again. I realize some people have perhaps dozens of schools that they need to create static user groups for. However, with the clone button, I can get this done, and it's done one time, and I'm ready to go for the rest of the year. I'll go ahead and be done here. And now these static user groups will show up under the site access when a limited admin logs in. Just to verify this, I'll go ahead and switch to a different site. I'll switch to elementary number 2, and I'll see under there, under elementary number 2, under the static user groups, I have 2 currently because I haven't gone through and cloned all of those that I had. Of course, each of these static user groups are tied to a configuration profile, and I'll show setting that up for each site in another video. That's it for now. Thank you very much.